Here is the trade that I took this morning on my 3 a.m. live. Sorry that I shook the camera. So basically what we have is our 2 a.m. 1 hour range. We will call that the orb, right? So the strategy that we start with is the opening range break. So when you see it breaks this range, you see we were in this spot for a long time. Once it broke it, we knew that, okay, it has a bullish bias. That's our indication that we are going up. Okay, then we also stopped the next strategy on top, which is the ICC. So we did the orb strategy. We had that break. Some people would play this break, but that's up to them. But we wanted to have extra confirmation, so we waited for it to do the pullback, which in ICC, this is I, this is C, this is C. I, C, C. Indication, correction, continuation. So once we saw, not only did it break our orb, it held a trend line. So let me show you guys really quick. I grab a trend line. All right, we held this trend line. Okay, so we did not make a new low, and we broke out of our orb on a continuation. So we got in somewhere, I got in somewhere around the top of my range, and then I let it ride up here. My take profit was to the top, but I ended up taking profit manually when I saw it start to struggle on this candlestick. And from here to here, I did 15 micros, and I made about, I think I made about 500 and some change. But really simple, really quick. This is my funded account. And some people, if you scalp like I do, you could, trade from here to here, or from here to here, or from here to here, from here to here. And this is using regular candlesticks. This is what it looks like with the Hawkinachi candlesticks. You guys can see the direction of a trade much more clearly. You can see that this was on the uptrend. We struggled right here because we have a red doji, but it continued up. We had your reversal and it came back down. We had a reversal and it went back up. We had struggle here. When I see struggle like this, sometimes I often like to take profit if I'm in profit, because I can just get back in and out of the trade as I please. But pretty much that's just the breakdown of what we did. We used the opening range break. We then stacked on top the ICC, and it worked in our favor. Sometimes it does not retest. Sometimes it does not break the range. And in days like that where you're unsure, it's better to take a zero loss, zero profit, than to take a few hundreds loss, or to take 1,000 or a few thousands loss. So looking for A+ setups, getting your several confirmations and things like that will most definitely help you guys to be the best traders that you guys can possibly be. I pray that you guys are being good stewards with what you have. I pray that you guys are trading wisely and taking small risk, and embracing your reward, and not, being greedy or over leveraging and all the things. So I hope that this video was helpful, and I will see you guys next time here on How to Telly. Peace.